Yes, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. This is just a quick um, video to introduce new AutoCAD versions. Uh, so we'll be using AutoCAD 2017 in the class, but you might ask, why are we still using 2017 AutoCAD version? The AutoCAD 2020, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 2025 and 2026. So I just want to quickly show you the 2025, 2026 so that you can know why we decide to just stay with 2017. Number one, because of the size and the simplicity, so that you can easily learn, and compatibility with old version. And then if you can use 2017, you can use the new version. So I'll quickly go through them. I want to show you this. I want to share my screen. I want to share my screen so that you can see the new versions, as you can see on the screen. Uh, so these are the new features that you're going to see. Uh, you will see some new features here. If you have found it very useful, you can like and share, and then comment for others to also get to know more. So you can easily convert to existing block. These are additions to the previous versions. You can easily collaborate. You can easily interact with others on the net, and there are also, you can see that the interface is almost the same like that of 2017. So there is this object detection. These are added features. But don't forget, one of the major disadvantages of the new versions that they are very bulky. We're talking about um, 6 gig or thereabout of installation, or 7 gig of installation space required on your hard drive. So this is just demonstrating the new features. You can convert individual drawings to become block. You can combine them to become a new block. That means you can combine two objects that have been drawn, circle, and you can combine two circles to become one object. So that's become a block. Now, another one is the hatching aspect. So the hatching aspect has been improved also. So you can create your own boundary now. So you can see, so you can select the area you want to hash, and then you can now hash. So you can hash the areas you want. Um, you can hash the area. Uh, my internet is a bit bit slow. Okay, there is another update concerning your graphic card. And you can improve on the graphic card configuration and be able to fine-tune your graphic display because AutoCAD works with your graphic card so as to enhance your 3D modeling experience. So you can also watch other details online. Let me just stop here because we want you to also look at I want to share another, this time around, I want to share 2026, AutoCAD 2026. So I want to share that of 2026 so that you can see that as we are about, AutoCAD normally tries to get um, ahead, gets ahead. When you are in 2025, as you are moving towards, as we pass the middle of 2025, they are already preparing for 2026 release, release 2026. So that's what you will see here. So just let me quickly see if I can um, see us. Yes, let's see 2026 that has come around now quickly before I. So this is AutoCAD 2026 performance. 2026 has AutoCAD AI integration. They have integrated AI into AutoCAD 2026 now. So the fact that we are still using 27 does not mean you cannot use the latest versions. Just find time to get familiar with those new features. Don't forget you need big space to occupy the new versions. But for the purpose of the class, we'll be using 2027 so that, 2017 version so that we can manage space on the lab and also on your laptop. But if you want to really take advantage of the new features, you need to install and get their license for the 2025 or 2026. So you see a lot of opportunities, complex drawings that I introduced in the other video. These are the ones that you see here. So this is a powerful, site that are already drawn in AutoCAD that you can even use to learn more about architectural design. Now it has collaboration and cloud integration. So now cloud connection, collaboration network, and so you can see it has multi-user markup. You can see there are new features now added. Collaboration tools are very robust in 2026 version, but don't forget you need internet. You also need more hard space. Under the hood, tweaks, things that you can easily change to enhance your experience have been included. Yeah. Graphic device interface, the feedback, customer service, everything has been improved. The elephant in the room is this. That is AI efficient, can refine. Yeah. Yes, for those who are dealing with large file, the the speed has been improved. But don't forget, you have to get higher memory. If you don't have anything from 4 to 8 gig, you can enjoy AutoCAD 3D modeling. Yes, do you have to upgrade? Do you have to upgrade? Though we have all these new features, do you have to upgrade if you don't have all the other requirements? Though we have the AI integration, but it's you need to consider all the other important factors. Yes, subscribe, comment, and like so as to get also share with other students so that you can get more as we continue in this series. Thank you. I'm going to stop here because I don't want the video to be too long. Uh, we will be meeting the class to finalize the AutoCAD version, the AutoCAD section of the course. And I'll be introducing some shortcuts for you to be able to um, take advantage of AutoCAD. Thank you. Bye for now.